Hey everyone, it's Maya and welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, so welcome back. First of all, I want to say Happy New Year. So this video is my first official video of 2025. So yeah, how are you guys doing? I hope your year is off to a great start and I hope we have many blessings during this year and the next. So today I'm coming to show you guys an unboxing. So I'm gonna do two unboxings. These are my last two purchases of 2024 and they were the very end of 2024. One was purchased December 30th, the other was December 31st. Okay, I was getting them in right before the clock struck midnight. I was like, okay, yeah, last one, 2024. So yeah, this is very exciting. I'm really excited to see this bag, especially. It is from the Coach outlet. Spoiler alert. But yeah, let's get into it. So it is in this box. So this is an item from the Coach outlet signature leather collection. And I actually did a poll on my channel to ask you guys to guess which of the 4 bags that I got, that I showed you guys. And let's see who was correct in that poll. Okay. Actually put some air paper in here. I don't think I've ever had a Coach package include that. So thank you, whoever sent this. Dun, 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 dun. You can probably tell the shape. I'm so excited. I've literally been waiting to unbox this to do this video. So oh my gosh, look at this. So as you can see, the bag I bought was the mini Rowan in black signature printed leather. It's so adorable. Oh my gosh. So this is only my second mini Rowan from the Coach outlet. My first one is the maple mini Rowan and it's in the pebbled leather. Love that bag. Love it so much. It's so functional, so useful for me. So I figured I really wanted a black mini Rowan because, you know, brown is a really good neutral color, but black is even better. Black literally goes with everything. So I'm like, a black mini Rowan, I will definitely use that. And then the signature is just so cute. It's like quilted, it's really soft, it's smooth leather. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Oh my gosh. Because before this collection, the Coach outlet had the mini Rowan in black, but it's in the cross grain leather. And I'm not a big fan of cross grain leather, especially from the Coach outlet. And so I thought about getting that one because I really wanted a black mini Rowan, but I was like, I just don't like that type of leather from the outlet. So I passed on it. So when this came, it was perfect. Absolutely perfect. Okay, and it comes with a detachable crossbody strap. In black. And I'm so happy that they chose gold hardware. Like, silver is fine, but I prefer gold hardware. Like, I'm a gold hardware girl. So I'm so happy that they chose gold hardware to go in this bag. So happy. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. And here's the crossbody strap. Yeah, it's just a black leather crossbody strap. Let's see the inside. They stuffed this bag to the max. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Okay. Well, I don't think this was returned. See what color the inside is. Okay. The inside is their regular like burgundy color. You can see. Yeah, and it has 2 card slots on this side and just the story patch on this side. But yeah, I love the mini Rowan. It actually fits more than you think. Like one of my subscribers, Linda P, she literally said the mini Rowan is a clown car, and that is very true. It is really a clown car. Like, it looks small just looking at it, but especially with the zipper, it has an extended zipper down the side, which makes it open really wide, and so you're able to pack a lot of stuff in here. I don't think you probably could fit a full wallet in here, but I wouldn't, of course, because that would take up a lot of space. But you could fit a lot of small things in here. Your phone, lip gloss, card case, AirPods, a lot of stuff. You could fit a lot of stuff in here. Oh my gosh, so I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Smooth out that zipper. So here it is. This is the bag that I bought from the Signature Leather collection. Love it. Coach Outlet, you did a good job. Good job. Okay, so moving on to my final purchase of 2024. It's actually from Crocs. Pretty random, but yeah. So I already have 3 pairs of Crocs. I have a hot pink pair, a royal blue pair, which is my favorite color, and then those are the 2 like regular Crocs, and then I have a pair of fur Crocs that are like black multicolor, and they have black fur inside. Yeah, I used to hate the look of Crocs, which I don't hate them, but they're not the cutest. I know they're not the cutest shoes, but to me they are so comfortable, and the fact that they come in so many different colors, it just makes them so practical, you know. They're cute. I mean, they're nice when you don't have your toes done, so you could cover your toes, but like it's not like a full sneaker. So yeah. And they were having like a 2 for $25 sale. Not 2 for $25, 2 for $50 on the website. And so I just thought, let me get some Crocs. I really wanted a neutral pair because, like I said, the only like non-fur Crocs I have are hot pink and royal blue, which are beautiful colors, but they're not very neutral. So I wanted a neutral pair. And so I got these. I know they're pretty basic, but they're gonna be so useful for me. I know they're not everyone's cup of tea, but Crocs are very comfortable. To me, they're just really comfortable. And yeah, so these are the color wheat. They're the classic Crocs in the color wheat. So pretty like beige, light brown color. I wear size women's 7, so yeah, so self-explanatory. I got some Crocs. And then the next pair, I got another pair of fur Crocs, but these are slightly different from my other fur ones. My other ones, my black fur ones, have like the fur is only in the inside, but these, the fur is on the outside as well. So I thought that was pretty cute, pretty girly. And I got them in pink. It's a light pink color. And they have the fur on the outside and the inside. Cute. And this is the color Quartz. It's the classic Blitzen 4 clog in the color Quartz, which is like a light pink. It's a pale pink color with like the beige fur. Love it. They're gonna be so cute. Yeah, because my other fur ones, they're black, so they cute, but they're not like girly, so these would be like my girly fur Crocs. So yeah, that's literally everything. I just wanted to show you guys my last purchases of 2024. 2 pairs of Crocs and a Coach mini Rowan. So yeah, so thank you guys for watching the video. That's the end of it. I also want to thank everyone who has subscribed to my channel. I'm so close to 200 subscribers, so that's really exciting. I want to thank everyone who watches my video, who comments and likes my video. I really appreciate it. Yeah, I just wish you guys a blessed 2025, and I'll be back with more videos. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and click that notification bell so you don't miss when I post the next time. Bye guys.